Today I'm breaking down one of the most common things that you do when you walk into the gym, the goblet squat. You pick up a kettlebell, and what do you do? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. What's up guys, it's Kevin Andres, owner of K-Square Fitness, and the fitness channel that gives you all the tips, tricks, secrets, tutorials that you need so that you can move better and become a better athlete. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss another video the next time we put out great content for you. So let's get straight into it. We talk about the feet all the time, how you're supposed to screw in the feet when you do squats. Today we're not talking about that. I'm actually bringing the attention to the elbows. So elbows, we never want to have them out here, always screw in the feet. What we want to have is this elbow tucked in tight position so you can get that rib cage down. The reason why we always practice our hollow bodies, and one of the first things we do within our app, getting used to pulling the ribs down, is because this strong core position should translate to every single thing that you do. Same thing applies here. So once you practice the hollow body, notice instead of getting this arch position, pull your rib cage down, squeeze your glutes and get that pelvic tuck, and then keep the elbows down with a nice upright position. We talk about it with push-ups, we talk about it with shoulder presses, never allowing your elbows to turn, or your shoulders to dive forward like that position here. Get these suckers tight, open up those hips, screw your feet into the ground, and get in the habit of grabbing by the handles as opposed to this right here. That way, as you gradually progress, you can get into different exercises like the kettlebell clean, or the kettlebell squat clean, kettlebell swings, kettlebell snatches, all those fun things. So get in the habit of grabbing by the handles, keep the elbows in tight, brace it down, replicate that strong hollow body position, and you're gonna feel a lot better when you do goblet squats. If you like this video, be sure to comment below, make sure you subscribe, and if you want help with your fitness, check out ksquarefitness.com, where we just released our brand new fitness app that gives you all the tutorials, all the videos, over 900 in there, 3,500 workouts, lots of good stuff. We'll help you move better, make you stronger, and we'll see you in the next one.